Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Gate.io, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Gate.io in the address bar. Press the enter key to load the website. Once the page has fully loaded, locate the sign up button at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button. You will now be redirected to the registration page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password and input it into the password field. Make sure your password meets the site's security requirements. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box confirming your acceptance. Next, click on the Sign Up button to proceed. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after. Open your email inbox and find the confirmation message from Gate.io. Click on the confirmation link provided in the email. This action will redirect you back to the Gate.io platform. Now, log in using the email and password you just created. Once logged in, go to the account section on your dashboard. Here, you may be prompted to complete identity verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to upload any necessary identification documents. After submitting your documents, wait for the verification process to complete. This might take a few minutes to several hours. While waiting, familiarize yourself with the platform's features. Once verified, explore the security settings for your account. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. Finally, you are now fully registered and ready to start trading on Gate.io. Enjoy your trading experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.